Hey everyone, magandang gabi, good evening, happy Tuesday sa inyo. If you are listening today, I hope you are doing well. Kamusta ka naman? Sana ikaw ay okay. Welcome to Coach MirandaMiner's another edition of our learning series kung saan ako ay nagtuturo ng technical analysis, fundamental analysis, technical or trader's quotient and everything into one channel. If you're new to my channel, please click on subscribe and like to our video so you are updated for everything about cryptocurrency na ina-upload ko every day. No? So magandang gabi sa mga nasa Pilipinas, maayong bagyo sa Indoga Boss, mga Manoy at Manay dyan sa mga kamungunyan nakastar, mga Bicolano, Bicolana, magandang gabi sa inyo. Sa mga tao, sa mga kaibigan natin sa ibang bansa, maraming salamat din. Good morning there in the United States of America for those friends natin sa United States, sila Judak sa Maryland, si Beth in California, no, sila Amy, naku napakarami nating kaibigan sa Australia, sila Sally, sila Emma, thank you. Sa Singapore, sa South Korea, sa India, sa Mexico, sa Spain, sa United Arab Emirates, sa Taiwan, sa Africa. We also have viewers in Africa and everywhere in the world. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, no? And welcome to our nightly live at 10 p.m. No? So I have a daily stream every 10 p.m. and welcome to our channel. Let's now go with our news for today. Our topic for today is about ADA. Apex is actually nearing very soon. No? What are the things that you need to consider? What are the things na kailangan mong malaman at kung ano-ano pang mga bagay? I will discuss that today because malapit na po ang kanyang ang kanyang Apex and you need to know this consolidation. And by the way, if you are actually just tuned in to my channel, kanina po ako ay naglabas ng video about how to stay profitable during consolidation. Kailangan mong malaman at mabasa yan bilang isang trader because hindi naman po lahat tulad ni Solana lumilipad, no? No, hindi lahat tulad ni Solana na 27% ang kanyang growth within the past 24 hours at I will tell you kung bakit maya-maya, no? But not all coins are flying. So, kailangan mong malaman kung ano ba ang kailangan gawin during ranging coin price or consolidation. No? So, actually, I've been trading for the past 2 days and I don't necessarily see, no? Hindi ako nakakita ng mga malalaking swings, no? Obviously, aside from Solana. Pero tong video na to, kumita naman ako ng kahit paano kay Solana ng around $300. Pero itong video na to, ginawa ko to para tumulong doon sa mga traders na hindi makasabay sa mga breakouts, no? What do you do kapag may consolidation? What do you do on those scenarios na makakita ka ng consolidation at paano mo siya mapapasok, no? Lalong-lalo na kapag ang coin price is in between the minor and the major Fibonacci's, no? Anong gagawin mo? Kunyari, wala siyang breakout sa 618, wala siyang breakdown sa 618. What do you do? No? Kailangan mo bang mag-antay? Is there any other thing na pwede mong gawin? Meron bang pwedeng gawin na mas na alternative indicator, no, kung ang iyong price are ranging, in between, no, in between. Sa mga intermediate students ko, alam niyo 'yan, no? If the market is ranging, ito yung mahirap i-trade. Napakahirap i-trade ng isang ranging and consolidating market, lalo na kung buong market, and in this case, yung ibang coins kasi consolidating, no. Bakit? I will tell you later on, no. At panoorin mo yan, at binigay ko na lahat dyan, no? What are the things that you need to consider? Ano yung time frame? Ano yung entry points? Ano yung indicators na ginamit ko? Ano yung entry and exit points ko? And how did I earn an average of $120 per day? Almost 5,000 pesos. Guys, hindi na masama, no? Earning 5,000 pesos per day, hindi na masama on a regular day, no? I don't think it's necessarily bad. So, panoorin mo yan at I think makakatulong sa'yo yan bilang isang profitable trader. Alright, type number 1 kung napanood mo na at kung ikaw ay may natutunan, type number 1, kung hindi pa, panoorin mo na at mag-subscribe ka na sa aking channel because lahat naman po binibigay ko, no? No, I give my knowledge para matutunan nyo how to trade correctly and how to be profitable. And because of this, I think malapit na akong mag $10,000 sa futures for the record, no? We're able to set a record wherein in futures alone, we're able to earn almost 500,000 pesos for the whole month. Pure profit, no? Pure profit, almost 500,000 pesos because of our setups, no? Because of our setups. You need to remember, not every day lumilipad yung coin, no? May mga pagkakataon na nagko-consolidate, nagre-range. So kailangan alam mo din siyang galawin, alam mo din dapat i-trade. No, para hindi ka lang one trick pony, kumbaga, hindi ka lang isang klaseng trader, no? You're actually able to be a trend follower, you are a range trader, you are a consolidation trader. Marami pa. Of course, no, kung hindi ka naman sanay, okay lang. I will teach you lang naman eh. I will teach you iba't ibang klaseng styles of trading, but um, mamili ka kung saan ka compatible, no? Mamili ka. If you're not really compatible on consolidation, you're really compatible on a bounce play or a breakout play, then go ahead. No, go ahead with those types of setups because I've been teaching that as well for you. So congratulations sa uh, mga naging profitable yan. Ang dami nag-type na number 1. Congratulations sa inyo, no? At i-share nyo naman yung ating channel, guys, para marami pa tayong matulungan, no? Let's extend yung heart natin sa community para may matulungan pa tayong ibang mga estudyante or ang market students natin, no, para at least we can further grow our community to even bigger heights. Okay? Ayan, sabi ni Junkiel. Alam niya yung sagot. BB lang po pala ang sagot sa pagko-consolidate. Yes. Pwede mong gamitin si Bollinger Band kasi nga siya ay volatility indicator, no? So, ang yung breakout indicators are the Fibonacci's, no? And your triangles, no? Pero if you're actually seeing a ranging coin, nagre-range yung coin, you need to use your volatility indicator. Sabayan mo na ng MACD and RSI para may confirmation ka. And of course, dapat alam mo, yung confirmation candle. Tinuturo ko yan sa school, na sa university natin, kasi minsan, mape-fake out ka din kay BB. Huwag kang umasa lang kay BB. Kailangan meron kang confirmatory indicators such as your candles and your indicators sa baba. So panoorin mo yan. I'm very, very happy na gawa natin yan at sana makatulong yan sa'yo to become very, very profitable on a consolidating market. Okay, next one. Sa mga intermediate estudyante ko, ito po ay hindi nakalabas na video. Ito po ay naka-private video. Thank you sa patience ng aking mga intermediate students. Sinend ko na po ang how to do a trailing stop loss video sa inyong email. Please check your emails and you should be able to receive how to set up a trailing stop loss. Ito ay napakagandang feature ng Binance, no, sa mga futures trader. Kasi ito ay tinatawag nating dynamic stop loss. Kung may tinatawag tayong static stop loss, yung mga limit, stop limit, those are the static stop loss. I need you to know what is a dynamic stop loss o trailing stop loss. Napakagandang feature niyan. I don't know if everyone is aware, but this is a very good feature na pwede mong gamitin, lalo na sa mga Solanas of the world. Yung mga lumilipad from $105 to $127, you could use trailing stop loss, no? Aralin mo yan, and I'm sorry I cannot release this because this is only exclusive for my students in the intermediate class. Pag beginner ka, I cannot also send it to you because ayoko namang dagdagan pa ng nosebleed yung mga tinuturo ko sa iyo on a beginner class. Kailangan unawain mo muna yung bounce and yung transition plays because those are also very, very effective plays. Huwag mo kakalimutan because I've also made a lot of videos on how to do your bounce play. No, pag bumababa na at nagbabounce sa mga 618s, biglang bumubulusok pataas, you need to use your bounce strategy. Okay? Alright. This is, of course, if you are an upcoming intermediate student, yes, as long as you're an intermediate student, you will be able to get this video for free. Alright, next one. Ito, ibasahin ko lang to, no, napakagandang testimonial. Sabi ni Marlon Perinya, excited po akong i-share sa inyo itong trade na ito to inspire the others. Napakarami ko pong natutunan kay Coach MirandaMiner sa mga free coaching niya sa YouTube. Beginner lang din po ako and more than 2 months pa lang sa trading. Na-inspire din ako at na-amaze sa mga turo niya lalo na sa fib retracement at fib extension at ang power of golden ratio na 618. This is my good trade so far, no? Spot trading lang po ako pero sunog future trade na rin ako. Dahil po yan sa mga tutunan ko kay Coach, maraming salamat po. Huwag po sana kayo magsasawa mag-share ng knowledge nyo to other people. More power and blessing po sa inyo and to your channel and groups. By the way, kaya marami pong stop loss sa chart ko. Every time na may tatamaan akong TP line, tinataas ko po yung stop loss ko. Yung stop loss 1 at 2, inalis ko na po sa trade ko na yan sa Binance. Ngayon, mas mataas ngayon po yung stop loss ko sa entry price, which is stop loss number 3. If bumaba man po yung price, I still take profit since mas mataas na yung stop loss ko to my entry point. Newbie lang din po, sinubukan ko lang din po mag-risk management and patience and some impatience din dahil nag-take ako ng 57%. Halata ko, updated to si Marlon sa mga tinuturo natin. No? You also need to be impatient na tinuturo natin niya. Okay, tinuro natin niya. Nag-take na daw siya ng 57% ng capital nung alam niya tatamaan na daw yung TP1 and yung remaining 43% ay hinati niya nung nagka-TP2 and TP. Kumbaga selling on tranches, kumbaga. Yung ginawa niya, parang nag-tranche selling siya, no? So gain profit po ako today and yung profit ko na iniwan for Sol USDT, not so sure pa rin po if tama ako, marami pa rin matutunan. Waiting to hit na lang po ako either target or profit loss. Sana iniwan mo muna si Solana, no? Kahit hindi po tamaan yung third take profit, okay lang po kahit bumaba na yung price ng Sol. May stop loss na po ako na actually mas mataas pa sa entry price. Magaling. Maganda yung strategy mo, no? In that case, pag nag-futures ka, mas mai-inlove ka sa trailing stop loss, no? Just sharing to inspire others. Hashtag MirandaMiner Road to 50,000. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Marlon. No? Thank you for your love and thank you for your sharing sa community. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong sharing talagang detalyado. Ayoko po ng mga nagko-comment lang ng mga guys sa community natin. Ayoko na nagko-comment lang kayo ng mga screenshot ng earnings po. I mean, what is that for? No, what does that mean? No, dapat meron siyang purpose, that may context para nalalaman ng ibang traders kung paano mo nakuha, di ba? Kasi pag di ka nilagay ng context, parang ano yan? Is that a hype? Is that a flagging? And ayoko mangyari, ma-hype yung mga newbies natin na dahil nag-post ka ng mataas na percent, no? And people are all suddenly hyped without planning and it's causing unnecessary issue sa mga newbies natin. Okay. All right. So let's move on. Yan. So thank you again for our pro-life friends na nagbigay sila ng free insurance coverage. Kunin nyo lang yung QR code na yan. No? Again, thank you pala kay Jessica Villanueva sa super chat. Maraming salamat, Jessica. Sa mga gustong mag-super chat, just click on the $ sa baba ng inyong chat room. Alright, thank you. And of course, if you are again new to our channel, marami tayong binigay at hinanda para sa inyo. We will keep on improving. Nako, napakaganda because unang-una marami pong salamat. Meron na po tayong 2 volunteer graphic designers. Thank you, Mavi, and actually, there's 2 of them. No? Maraming salamat sa inyo for your help and your support at malasakit sa ating community. I'm very, very impressed. Napakagaling ng unang lumabas na dalawang design na lumabas. No? Grabe, sabi ko, talagang talaga sigurong pang trading lang si Coach, di ba? Siguro yung design bibigay ko na sa ibang tao. No, maraming salamat. Napakagagaling ninyo. Marami pong salamat sa pagmamahal at suporta. No? But again, we will keep on improving our content because I really want to focus on my content. And I would like to thank you sa mga volunteers natin na tumutulong to spread and improve our quality of work. No? So maraming salamat. Every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, this is when I discuss what's hot, what's up and coming. I sometimes do charting and I do the crypto reviews of the price. Every Thursday, guest natin ang ating mga mentors, no, ating mga technical charting mentors, yan sila Sweet, sila Rad, sila Brian, sila Brain, sila Ferdy, at kung marami pa tayong mga iba't ibang mentors that could sit down with us on a technical charting Thursday. Every Friday, meron tayong online #palo. Hindi naman laging palo. Sometimes online motivation yan. Ginagawa ko minsan motivation. Ayoko nang laging palo. Gusto ko konting level of inspiration naman para at least tayong lahat, we're learning. No, we're learning. And then of course, every Saturday, marami tayong iniimbitahan ngayon. No? I'm actually excited kasi marami kami naka-line up na pangalan ni Ira on Saturday. No, I'm very, very excited. Baka we could collaborate with, alay nyo, kilala nyo na pala sila, pero we could collaborate with them one of those Saturdays, no? And of course, every Sunday, I'm very excited because, guys, meron na po tayong breeding, no? Meron na tayong mga Axie breeds. Maraming salamat kila managers Nico, Angel, and of course, ang ating in-house expert si Kyle TZ, no? Na tumutulong sa atin in terms of managing our quality selection of Axies. Of course, katulong na rin si Angel tsaka si Nico. No? So maraming salamat sa inyo. All right, let's move on na sa topic natin today, no. Of course, later we will do a raffle. Raffle time mamaya. Antayin yung raffle natin, no. We will do that later on, okay? All right, let's go on with our topic for today, and I would just like to make sure I read a couple of price points today, no. Bitcoin is still currently at $47,733. Currently, almost with no volatility. Ito yung sinasabi kong consolidating, no. Ito yung market na consolidating in terms of Bitcoin price. Naglalaro yan sa 48,500, bumababa ng 47,100. I think kanina bumaba ng konti, no? 47,000 or even a little lower than that, no? So umakit na naman, and I think merong reason ba't nagko-consolidate, and later on we will discuss when we go a little bit of our charting, no? Ethereum napaka-bullish, no? 3,426. Tingin ko na naapektuhan ito ng Solana. You need to remember Solana is some people who support Solana are also supporting Ethereum, no? Ethereum is very very bullish. Natuwa ako kasi nag-work. Nagpasok tayo ng I think almost $2,000 a spot on Ethereum, and it was actually when it was way below 3,200. Pinasok ko 'yon kasi naglilipat ako ng Ethereum pambili ng Axie. So when I tried to move all of my assets and transferred it to the Ronin or to MetaMask, may natira akong extra around $2,000, no? So ang ginawa ko, instead of itenga ko lang sa US dollar Tether, ang ginawa ko, nag-TA ako ng potential na coins na pwede. And I know kasi Ethereum has if you guys will notice, sa lahat ng gumagalaw sa within top 10, minsan naiiwan si Ethereum. Ibig sabihin, if Bitcoin and the other coins are actually neutral, biglang si Ethereum nagiging bullish. Another observation is kapag si Bitcoin and Cardano, let's say they went down a little bit, no? For example, Cardano goes to 2.7, si Bitcoin let's say goes to 47,200. Si Ethereum naiiwan sa 3.3 and 3.2. In fact, nung bumaba sila on almost si Bitcoin bumaba ng almost 46,000, Bitcoin never went down below almost 3,000. Nagplateau siya doon, no? So ako, my interpretation is there is a separate market na hindi necessarily sumusunod kay Bitcoin. And you need to remember, Ethereum, kaka-announce lang ng London hard fork, wag tayo makakalimot, there's still some bullishness there. Okay? Now, Cardano. Okay, this is our topic for today, no? 2.8. Ano ba yung tinatawag natin apex of consolidation, no? Later on, I will discuss that. Cardano is currently at 2.8. Naglalaro yan from 2.71. Kanina lumipad ng 2.87 if I'm not mistaken. Currently ranked number 3 with a 90 billion market capitalization. Bitcoin, guys, is currently nearing its all-time high of a 1 trillion market capitalization. You need to remember, it's almost going back to 1 trillion with the same circulating supply of 18.8 million. No, tumataas na yung value niya, no? And of course, number 4, Binance, currently at $473. Medyo neutral din to, neutral din. Nagre-range between 465 to 480 and currently within 1 percentage point volatility both on a 24 and 7 days. Tether bumaba sa number 5. XRP bumaba sa number 6. It's currently sitting at 1.15. Ito naman napaka-stable niya, no? Within 1.10, 1.11, 1.12, 1.13 hanggang 1.16. Doon yung range niya. Kaya nga tinuro ko sa inyo how to play your range, how to trade your consolidation. You need to be able to know how to trade your consolidation. Kasi hindi naman po lahat nagbe-breakout sa 618s, no? So you need to know, panoorin mo yung video ko, you need to know how to trade your range. Alright. Grabe, number 7 si Solana. Solana has been really bullish. May nagtanong sa akin, sinabi ko sa kanya, nung hindi pa nilalabas yun, sabi ko mag-sell, you need to sell on tranches. Baka sobrang bullish kasi super parabolic na si Solana. After few hours pagkasabi ko nun, lumabas yung news, no? Lumabas yung news about Solana ignition. So insert ko lang ito mabilis, no? Yung Solana burn, they're actually doing a sort of a cryptic message. Parang may apoy na kulay Solana, violet. So, merong first cryptic advertisement sila about ignition. Isang lighter na may apoy. Tapos kulay violet yung apoy niya. So, naglabas sila ng ganong advertisement around yesterday. And the traders are speculating, no, na magkakaroon ng malaking burn, no? There should be a big burn or burning of Solanas within its blockchain, no? So because of that, nung nilabas yung news na yun, you need to remember, every time we're actually burning some assets or tokens, it limits the supply in the market. Ergo, tumataas yung price ng coin. Alright, so now, nung nilabas tong news na to, pumalo from 103, lumipad ng 112, 115, 120, 125. Yung ayaw magpapigil. Ayaw magpapigil ni Solana, no? So, because of this news, tomorrow, lalabas nila tong news na to. They're actually hinting a major announcement, no? A major announcement on this DeFi protocol native token. So, basically, it looks like they're going to burn, they're going to do some burning of tokens or Solanas within their infrastructure. What does that mean? Ano ibig sabihin yan? Here you go. So if Solana, you need to remember the circulating supply right now of Solana is 291,086,000. Okay? Now, yung current market capitalization niya, huwag kayong matakot kasi si Solana, hindi malayo pa maungusan niya si Cardano. Cardano is still 3x bigger than Solana. Solana is currently at 36 billion, no? And Cardano is already at 90 billion, no? You need to remember, Binance Coin used to be number 3. Pero lumipad bigla si Cardano, biglang sumingin si Solana sa number 7, umilalim si Dogecoin, no? What does that mean? If they do a major burn, okay, of their assets, liliit yung circulating supply. Parang si Ethereum. Di ba? Si Ethereum, they keep on burning a portion of what they are, of the particular gas fee, no? They're actually burning some of the ETHs, no? Now, if Solana does the same, eventually the price impact will be positive. Bakit? Because you're actually limiting the supply, but people are interested. So, if you are a newbie trader, whenever you hear something about, okay, so si coin number X, no? Magkakaroon ng burning mechanism. That's always parang sa stock market, that's always going to be a price driver. Actually nga, both na nga, sa stock market, buy on rumor, sell on news. Sa coins, sa cryptocurrency, they're both buying on rumors and buying on news, di ba? No? So from a Solana perspective, I think between this Solana and ADA or Solada or ADA Sol, it's good to keep them, no? Pero guys, careful lang kayo, no? Because Solana already, sabi nga nila, you need to be careful when everyone is greedy, no? You need to be careful when kasi everyone's greedy na eh. Look at that, no? Later on, we will chart Solana. All right? Okay, so congratulations kung kumita ka dyan. I did show this video kanina na pinakita ko lang yung glimpse ng kinita ko dyan, almost $300. Actually, almost $300 na yata if I'm not mistaken. So, hindi ko na siya diniscuss kasi nga, ang hot topic ko kanina is how do you trade consolidating coins. So, you need to remember, kahit si Solana, even if Solana is running at 67%, you need to remember that the other 9 coins in the top 10 are within the single-digit volatility. What does that mean? The market is ranging. No? The market. So, if you are not used on trading an all-time high coins, which is a skill, kailangan mo ring malaman how to trade a ranging coin. You need to know how to trade a ranging coin para hindi ka maiwan na nag-aantay ka lang ng mga nagbe-breakouts. No, pero malapit na yan. Bukas guys, bukas September 1 na. Galing, no? Bukas September 1 na. Tapos September 12, grabe. Tapos natawa pa ako kasi si Charles Hoskinson, no? Sa Twitter niya, nag-tweet siya. Charles Hoskinson is obviously the big wig, the chief executive of ADA. Sabi ba naman niya sa tweet niya, nabasa natin. Sabi niya, how can I learn from Solana? Something like that, no? Parang, woo! You know, the ADA founder and co-founder of Ethereum, si Charles Hoskinson, tweeting like that, saying, how can we learn? Tapos nag-reply yung developers ng Solana, we are a DM away, something like that, no? So, ang galing, ang ganda ng dynamics ng Twitter for the past couple of hours. Nag-uusap yung mga developers, no? And just ngayon maganda pumasisyon sa ADA. No? Kasi nga everyone is obviously shifting their capital into a flying coin. No? Later we will discuss that from a charting perspective. Okay? Now let's move on. Number 8, Dogecoin, currently at 27 cents a piece. A bit stable on a 0.4% in 24 hours and medyo negative on 7 days, negative 7%. It's actually ranging within that level. Huwag niyo kakalimutan, Polkadot, another big yan. Kahit nagna-number 9 yan, huwag niyong i-snapin si Polkadot. Maganda tong coin na to. Alright? So, you should not remove your eyes on Polkadot. Alright? Diniscuss ko yan. Actually, gumawa ako ng video on May. The price of Solana back then was around $40. May iyon. Polkadot is also one of the featured coins na sinabi natin, Polkadots. You know, the Solanas, no? Diniscuss natin yan. Of course, let's go up. Let's go down. USDC coin currently at 27.4 billion circulating supply. Tumataas po yan. Uniswap, huwag niyong kakalimutan. Marami rin tong bullishness, no? Uniswap currently at $28. It's currently 9.66% bullish on a 24 and a little less than 3% positive on a 7 days. Followed by Terra Luna, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink. Bumaba na si Chainlink, no? Naalala ko when I was making a video for Solana, number 15 siya ngayon, number 7. Galing. Medyo si Litecoin ang kailangan gumawa ng magandang PR, no? Kasi naiiwan, actually si Litecoin, number 10 yan before, naiiwan na sa number 16. No? So, bilang trader, tsaka si ICP, no, number 9 yan before. Huwag niyo kakalimutan, guys, bilang trader, titingin din kayo sa top 11 and 20. Kasi minsan, dyan yung mga coin na hindi na siya malapit sa Bitcoin. It's not necessarily coupled with Bitcoin. And they're the ones na medyo may sariling mundo when they're actually trying to break out. Ibig sabihin, kapag sila nagbe-breakout or nagbe-breakdown si Bitcoin, minsan wala na silang pakialam. No, they have their own world. Kasi nga naka-layer 2s, no, layer 2s aside from layer 1s, no. Anyways, Polygon Matic, isa pa to, maganda rin to. No? Huwag niyo kakalimutan si Polygon Matic. Isa pa yan. Okay. Alright. Let's move on with our yan. Sinabi ko na yung scalable news ni Solana. Of course, let's now go with our other news, no? Alright. CoinDesk, China's digital yuan experiment expands to insurance fund management report. Sinabi ko na yan kahapon, no, they're actually really expanding and over-indexing on digital yuan, no, kaya pinaalis nila yung mga minero sa China. Pinapunta nila sa US, no. Actually, there's a lot more political and geopolitical and commercial factors that can that are good to discuss in China, no. Naalala nyo ba yung si founder ni Alibaba, 'di ba? So where is he right now? He used to be a very loud proponent, no, in China. Ngayon medyo tahimik siya, no, obviously. Nagkaroon ng I don't know if some of you are following Ant Capital, no. Nagkaroon ng major regulatory concerns, no. Yun ang mahirap pag kinakalaban mo yung gobyerno, you know. The government can cripple you, no, can garnish some of your money, etc. So I'm not necessarily fully familiar anymore, but from what I understand, nung una kasi medyo mainit siya sa China government, no. Kaya yun, tingnan mo, medyo tahimik ngayon ng Alibaba founder, no. Anyways, let's move on with some of our other news. Yan. So Polkadot's parallel finance raises 22 million at 150 million valuation. Diniscuss ko na, no, how to do valuations, Meron tayong EBITDA model, meron tayong EBITDA multiple model. Pwede mong gamitin yan, no? Pero eventually, para hindi ka na mahirapan, just watch the news on valuations, no? Unless you're actually trying to be a master of finance, no? Alright, anyways, ito yung sinasabi ko, huwag niyong kakalimutan yung mga top 9, top 10 coins kasi nga they have their own bullishness, no? People still buy on rumors and they actually are, if especially if the news is positive, nagiging driver ng pagiging bullish yan. Okay? All right. So, lending startup Parallel Finance raised $22 million in a Series A funding round that valued the Polkadot and Kusama focused decentralized finance protocol at 150 million. No? The round one of the single largest hauls for a project building comes just months after Parallel number 2 million pre-seed round of funding. So you need to remember, kung naalala nyo, si Polychain Capital, di ko alam kung sinabi ko na to before, no? Ito si Polychain Capital, sikat to, no? They're the ones who led the round with participation from Lightspeed Venture Partners, Slow Ventures Blockchain Capital, and Alameda Research. So kumbaga, I will not go through the entire text, no? But what I'm just trying to say is, kapag kayo nagre-research, kunyari, you're trying to look for other coins to invest or other coins to put your money, no? Aside from hash rates, aside from all of those stuff na tinuturo natin, no? Maganda rin you actually try to look for news. No, go to CoinDesk, nandiyan na lahat, no? Go to CoinDesk and go to Coin Calendars. Go there and you will be able to see ano ba yung mga what's hot and what's up and coming. Or pinakamadali, just watch in my news, no? Watch in our channel, 'di ba? Pinakamadali na yun kasi ginagawa ko, I put everything together in 45 minutes para makikinig ka na lang. Parang ako na yung TV patrol mo, 'di ba? So parang I'll be the one to prepare everything for you. Just listen and who knows, you even have a chance to win 500 pesos just by listening and just by commenting. Okay, just give me parang grounded daw. Wait lang. Hello? Grounded po ba? Wait lang guys. I'm grounded yata. Teka lang. Okay, grounded yung sound. Can you guys comment kung grounded pa din? Hello? Kaya pala masakit kanina sa tenga ko, grounded. Okay, wait lang. Wait lang. Nagsa-static yata eh. Wait lang.
Hello? Ito, pwede na ba to?
In nature. Shop to in nature.
Ayan. Okay na ba yung ganung boses? Pwede bang can I use this sound? For example, kakanta siguro si coach, parang ganito. Hello? Pwede bang gito na lang boses natin para parang galing tayo sa ilalim? Ayan. Sabi ni Official D, nagulat ako sa boses, Diyos ko. sabi niya, nagkakape ako, coach, wag ganyan. No, pinapatawa ko lang kayo. Grounded pa din ba, guys? Grounded pa din? Sabi mo kung may ground na guys kung okay na. Pinatawa ko lang yung viewers natin. Okay na daw. Ayan. So, sample kanta naman dyan, coach. Aba? Alam nyo ba marunong ako magluto Huwag nyo kung hinahamong kumanta, baka kantahan ko kayo. Sabihin nyo ano gusto kong kanta. What song do you want? I can sing, di ba? I can sing yan. Alright, sige. Okay, balik na tayo dun sa news natin. Pasensya na kayo nagkaroon ng grounded yung V8 ko eh. Anyways, okay. Pang Christmas. We will do a Christmas song. O sige, kanta tayo for example. Wait lang. Ayan. Kanta tayo for example. Mabilis lang to. Ano magandang kantahin? Anyways, balik tayo sa news, guys. Let's go back to the news. All right, sorry. So let's move on. And of course, sabi ko nga huwag yung kakalimutan si Solana, saka si Polkadot, yung mga top 9 and top 10 and top 11 coins because normally kapag tumitenga yung mga top 5 coins natin sa particular price or nagko-consolidate yung price, kailangan yung gawin, you need to be able to look at the top 10 to 15 coins because sila yung merong konting bullishness, no? Sila yung merong tinatawag nating news and rumors, kumbaga, kung nagko-consolidate yung top 5 coins mo. Alright, sige, gawin natin to. No? Of course, let's now go with charting. Kaya kakasabi ko lang si Ada nagko-consolidate, no? Nagko-consolidate yan. Let's just quickly do some charting here. Sige, mag-request kayo ng gusto nyong kantahin ko. Wag naman yung boom tarat-tarat brain ko talaga. Kaya yung konting medyo medyo natawa ako dun sa pinadala ni si Brain ba yun? Si Dan kanina. Si Jose Marichan, siya yung sumisikat na araw. Akala niya September 1 na. Yung pala bukas pa pala. Bumalik yung araw pababa. Nakakatawa yung post mo, Dan. Okay. Sige, let's go first with Bitcoin, ang ating mahal na Bitcoin. Sorry, let's go to ADA because that's our topic for today. No? That's our topic for today. So, tingnan natin tong ADA very quick on a day chart. On a day chart, no? From a day perspective, nakikita mo na medyo may konting potential na bearish cross and of course kailangan nagko-correct yung kanyang RSI because bought na siya, no? Medyo mataas na, no? But if you look into the week to date, ito ay bullish pa din, no? On a week to date standpoint. Ito yung sinasabi natin kay Bitcoin kanina, no? Yung kanyang bullish kanyang daily is 75. So, yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung sinasabi ko earlier na apex of consolidation, ito yun guys, just give me a second. Ito yung sinasabi nating apex, no? Of course, this is obviously irrespective of the intraday, no? Ibig sabihin, the intraday can be as is, pero may tinatawag tayong consolidation apex. Alright, so ano ba yan? So, tingnan natin ito mabuti. Of course, nagko-consolidate tong ang tagal niyang tumenga dito, no, sa pinakailalim na to. Ang tagal niyang tumambay diyan sa consolidation na yan. So pag ganito yung coin, ito yung mahirap i-trade. No? Kasi pag on a high level, pag nagaganyan yung coin mo, ibig sabihin, rule of consolidations, after each consolidation, may tinatawag tayong bounce or breakdown, no? Sorry, breakdown or break out, no? Pwedeng umakyat, pwedeng bumaba. All right? So, you need to remember that from a trend perspective, nagko-consolidate siya, no? Akit tayo na higher time frame, 1 hour. Ayan, ganyan pa din yung kanyang trend, no? It's also consolidating, no? All right? Tapos, tanggalin na natin 'to. Yan. Tapos you will see, nagawa tayo ng price patterns. Alright, hanap tayong price patterns dito. Yan. So, pwede mo pa yung ibaba hanggang doon. Yan, okay? Tapos, let's try to remove MACD for now. Yan, okay. Alright. You will notice there is actually a triangle here. Yan. Meron triangle, no? And ang nangyayari pag may ganyan triangle, okay, medyo may pagka-bullish yan, eh, no? Alright. So, ibig sabihin yan, you only have a little bit of time for this to consolidate, no? For this to consolidate. Kanina meron din tayong ginawang apex doon sa video natin, but that is the intraday apex. Ito naman yung 1 hour apex. Pwede ka na mag 1 day dito to do a 1 day. Yan. To do a 1 day, pwede mong gawin yung ganyan. Or you could actually do a 4 hours. Yan. So, ibig sabihin yan, whenever you see these types of formation, okay, gagamitin mo ganito, no? You need to look for your drawing chart. Punta ka doon sa date range, no? Sukatan mo yan. Pwede mo sukatin yan. From here to here, bibilang ka na lang ng 3 days before ito mag-break out or break down. No? Okay. Makinig mabuti ha. Kasi may tinatawag tayong bullish driver, no? May tinatawag tayong bullish driver ng coin. Okay. So, ang bias ng maraming traders ngayon, analysts, potentially pwedeng umakyat pataas. Okay? It can go even further upwards now. Pwede pa rin siyang bumaba on 2.77, 2.78, 2.79. But as time goes by, lumiliit na yung wiggle room niya. Okay? Lumiliit na yung wiggle room niya on consolidation. Okay. So what do you need to do? What I need you to do is kung wala ka namang posisyon, huwag ka munang pumasok. Okay? Don't enter yet. Now, in fact, pwede pa natin gawin ganito yan. We can even make it a more definitive triangle. Yan. We can even make it that way. No? Even make it that way. Now, kapag itong ganitong formation, lagyan natin ng konting volume. Yan. If you see na may mga ganitong klaseng consolidation, tinatawag natin yan apex. Apex of consolidation. Bakit? Kasi, tulad ng BB20, ang rule natin doon, if Bollinger Bands, it's hugging the price ng matagal, paliit ng paliit yung kanyang intestine, kumbaga, yung kanyang upper and lower limit, it is already bound for a breakout or a breakdown. The same thing for triangles. Because may tinatawag kang common bounce area, meron kang tinatawag na common resistance area. Okay. Now, if this breaks out or breaks down, that's when you enter. Okay. Ang worry ko lang dito, yung volume niya, okay, there's no volume eh. The market is ranging. Ibig sabihin, yung market either umalis, okay, nawala yung mga whales, pumunta doon sa Solana, ito yung mga retailers na naiwan. No? They're actually waiting for a right entry point or a right entry point going down or going up. Now, yung mga contrarian, iniisip nila, okay, mag-short sell na yan. No? So ako, ang gagawin ko dito, since meron naman akong positions kay ADA, of course, what I will be doing is that I will watch kung meron siyang breakout or breakdown. Alright, now, if you go on, alam niyo naman ng Fibonacci's nito, no? Let's try to go on a daily Fib, no? Go to the 1 hour. Yan. Ayan, no? Meron siya talagang triangle doon. The same thing, the same thing na nangyari dito, just give me a second, okay? Assuming na wala pa tong candle na yan. Assuming na wala pa to, no? Yan. Assuming na wala pa yon, here's what have happened. Ito yung sinasabi nating apex of consolidation. Okay, just give me a second, okay? Let me just try to remove this one. And let me try to put another arrow. Yan. So meron ka kasing common resistance area dito. Yan. Meron kang common resistance area. Okay. So meron kang bounce points, di ba? Yan. Meron kang bounce. Wait. Give me a second. Ayusin natin na mabuti ito. Yan. Common bounce point. Here. Yan. Very good. Okay. So anong sabi natin dito? If you see that the apex, yan, if the apex of your consolidation is lumiliit, meron kang common bounce area, meron kang support area na channel or trend, yan, meron ka dyan, ang pwedeng mangyari, yung ganitong coin, pwede siyang, sabi natin, this can further go up or this can further go down. So what happened during this particular consolidation or apex, naganap siya ng bubutasin at ang binutas niya, pataas. Pataas. Okay, nakita nyo? Alright, now, that's the same thing that can potentially happen kapag inakyat natin itong line na to. Pag inakyat ko tong arrow na to doon pataas, okay, what can potentially happen is this triangle will look for a breakout or a breakdown. Okay? That's what I meant by consolidation. Apex of consolidation. Now, maliit na lang yan. 3 araw na lang. Antayin mo na. Antayin mo na. Okay. Now, coach, pag iyan ay nag-going up, anong gagawin namin? Eh di masaya ka, magdiwang ka. Diba? Magdiwang ka, going up eh. Nakikita mo naman kasi that the coin is actually going up, no? If it goes down, ang sasalo dyan, of course, you use your fibs, no? You use your fibs, no? But normally, even without using Fibonacci, pwede mong gamitin, the previous resistance can act as your support. Your previous resistance can act as your support. Eh, naugali nun. You need to look for your previous resistance para ito ay mag-act na support. So this area is going to be your range. Your range for a potential bounce. Yan. Pag nabasag itong arrow na to, it can go here, pababa, at pwedeng itulak pataas. Now, pwedeng mangyari without waiting for the next 3 days, parang ganito, pwedeng ang mangyari without waiting for the next 3 days. Ito ay bumasag na. Parang ito hindi niya na tinapos. Oh. Hindi niya na tinapos yung 3 days. Nung August 19, nag-breakout na siya. Pero meron pa siya hanggang August 23 para basagin yung triangle na yan. Okay? Ang pwedeng mangyari dito is that habang iniintay niyang basagin, pwedeng bumulusok pataas or bumaba. You need to remember itong blue arrow na to, this is going to be your identifying arrow. Ibig sabihin, this arrow needs to be your potential bounce. Okay? Potential bounce mo to. That is what we mean by consolidation. Your apex of consolidation. Yan, i-align mo na lang ulit yan. I-ano mo sa mga dulo yan. Align mo na lang kailangan makuha niya yung ilalim ng mga wick. Okay? So that is my topic for today, no? Kailangan nakakita kayo ng mga ganyang consolidation because yung mga ganyang apex na yan, that can be a sign of a breakout and a breakdown. Why am I very familiar with that? Because ayan po ang aking bread and butter trade. Ayan po, dyan po ako kumikita ng malaki. I earn on my bread and butters. If there is a major breakout, nakikita ko yan. No, kung nakikita ko yung mga major breakout and breakdowns na yan, no? And of course, nakikita din natin kung may pattern. No, mayroong pattern. All right? So tatandaan mo yan, ha? That's what I call the apex of your consolidation. Kasi tingnan mo, oh. Nag-breakout dito, binasag, nag-breakout. Yan. Magandang makikita mo yung mga ganyang patterns para kasabayan mo sila sa breakouts or breakdowns. Okay? All right. Ano pa ba? Let's now go on Solana. Let's go to Solana, no? Yan, bumaba na si Solana, overpriced na. Ayan. All right. Just give me a second, guys. Ayun. Teka lang, just give me a second. Okay, yan. Ayan. So, if you're doing Solana, ayan, actually overpriced na nga to talaga eh. Wait lang. Ingat na kayo dito. Wait lang. Just give me, where is my RSI? Yan, okay. Yun. So, on 1 hour, okay. Your RSI daily, buti naman bumaba na tong RSI daily na to, no? Kasi napakataas niya kanina. Para ball in, no? Yung RSI daily, 85. Grabe. 85. Yung week to date, 81. Ako, delikado na yan. Let's see. Let's go to 1 day. Parabolic na to eh, no? Let's just look for this one. Just give me a second. Okay, this one. Okay, let's use another extension. So, okay, wait lang ah. So, ito ay nag-correct na dyan. Bumaba ng konti, sinalo. Let me just make sure I mark my 618. Just give me a second, guys, okay? Teka lang. Okay. Let's do a 4 hours. Ayan. Yan pala mga correction lines eh. Kaya naman pala nagko-correct sa 81 eh. 81 yan. Correct. Nag-correct. Yan, mga 81, mga 618. Yung purple ginawa ko micro 618 yan, okay? Yung orange, yung mga extensions natin. So, pag ito tumaas, ito ay babasag ng mabigat na 135, no? Yun, nag-correct sa 96, tinulak pababa ni 618, hindi siya nanalo, Nag-retrace ng konti, boom, binulabog pataas. Ito yung sinasabi ko na medyo risky, no? Kasi wala ngang volume, tsaka meron nang mauuntog na 96, no? Eh, naglabas sila ng news. Naglabas sila ng major ignition news bukas. Ayan, lumipad yung coin, no? Pero this is extremely parabolic na ingat-ingat na, no? Umabot ng 135, ngayon nag-ano na, 117, halos na kalahati, no? So ingat sa mga ganyang highly volatile, no? Huwag kayo mag-all in sa mga ganyan. Okay? So, ang kanyang next is 136. Nag-correct sa 129, yan, nag-100 correct. So, we'll see kung aabutin niya yan, you know? Pero at least alam mo na yung kagandahan ng mga 618 mo kasi nga dahil sa kanya nakikita mo na yung mga correction lines na yan. Yan, very good. Okay. Ayan no. So pag ganitong selling volume, let's look for other indicators. Si Solana, okay. Buying pressure, RSI is normalizing. Normal yang mag-normalize, kailangan niya mag-retrace. Otherwise, bubulusok pababa yan pag di nag-retrace. Okay, yun muna tayo guys, no? Yun muna tayo. Okay. Alright. Okay guys, meron ba kayong tanong? I know it's only 4 minutes before tayo mag-end ng show, no? Meron ba kayong tanong sa ating charting today? No? Ngayon, teka lang, yung before ko i-wrap up, no, ang aking overall basa kay Ada, yan, malapit nang mag-breakout or mag-breakdown. Tayo nyo na lang. Ng araw na lang naman yan. Okay? Tapos make sure na panoorin mo yung video ko kanina. Yung video ko kanina is about how I earned $15,000. Panoorin mo yan. No, how 15,000 pesos on how did I earn that on a consolidation. Okay? Guys, mag-raffle na tayo. Oh, thank you, Jam, sa kind comment. Grabe, ang dami ko natutunan, sabi niya. Oh, very good. Natuto ka today. Very good. Yan. O, sige. Let's go now with our raffle for today. No? Yan, raffle for today. This winner can win 500 pesos. Ika-credit namin yan sa iyong account. No? Ilan po ba ang mananalo today, Ira? Ilan ang gustong manalo today? How many should be put as a winner? Just give me a second, guys. Dalawa. Dalawa daw mananalo today. Very good. Dalawa. Okay. Alright, the first winner is, let's start. Comment agad ng word na winner. Uy, nanalo si Damon Frost. Finally, nanalo ka din. Sana nandito ka, Damon Frost. Tagal na nagko-comment nito sa mga videos ko. Damon Frost, magparamdam ka. Type winner. Okay? Type winner. Congratulations, Damon Frost. Nako, masugid kong taga-subaybay ito. Congratulations sa'yo. Okay. Si Jim nandito. Hey Jim, kamusta? Thank you, Jam. Damon Frost, magparamdam ka. Ayun! Nanalo si Damon. Yay! Woohoo! Masaya ako nanalo ka sa dami mo ba namang comments no? Alright, sige. Let's just do one more. Just give me a second. Let's just do one more trades. One more Teka lang. Just give me a second. Congratulations, Damon. Alright, one more. Okay. Pick another winner. Teka lang, i-update ko lang yung comments. Wait lang, sorry. One more. Wait lang, sorry guys. Kailangan ma-update. 159 comments. Wait lang. So I need to look for another winner. Jose Morales. You're the best. Thank you so much, Coach. Hashtag thank you, MirandaMiner. Hashtag I believe in BingBon. Hashtag MirandaMiner road to 50K. Andito ka ba? Jose Morales Jr. Type the word winner. Type the word winner. Andyan ka ba? Jose Morales, andyan ka ba? If you're here, please type the word. Jose Morales, type the word winner. Anong MirandaMiner? Sino yung MirandaMiner na yan? Sabi ni Radin. Okay, wait lang. Sino kaya si Jose Morales Jr.? Sige nga, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Akala mo, Jose Marichan, no? Kakantahan kita sa. Let me sing a song to you guys. Wait lang. Whenever I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the streets, I remember... Oy, Shan, sabayan mo nga ako kumanta dito, Shan. I remember the child. Shan, saan ka ba? Magparamdam. Galaw mo nga yung baso, Shan, para kanta tayong dalaw dito. Alright, nasaan na ba yun? Andiyan na ba si Jose Morales? Andiyan na ba siya? Jose Morales. Sana si Jose Morales. Andiyan na ba siya? Ayun, nandiyan dyan. Congratulations. Okay, sino siya? Hindi ko nakita eh. Kumakanta kasi ako eh, no? Ayun, Jose Morales Jr. Oy, congratulations sa'yo. Guys, marami pa tayong raffle. Comment ka lang ng comment. Huwag mawawala. Copy-paste, no? Thank you, MirandaMiner. Hashtag I believe in BingBon. Hashtag MirandaMiner road to 50,000. We will have our next raffle tomorrow. Okay? Alright. Before tayo mag-end before we end our day today, let me just actually give you a little bit of a quotation today, no? Our meron quotation for today. Alright. Okay, yan. Ang quote natin for today is, you are profitable, no? Please do not execute unplanned trades. Trust me, you can be rich by trading your grade A or bread and butter setups. Ulitin ko ha. Trust me, you can be rich by trading your grade A or bread and butter setups. If only you do your bread and butter trades, I will surely see you in Boracay or Palawan soon for that awesome vacation. Alright? If you believe that you will be with me on Boracay, type number 1. I-claim mo na yan. But you can only claim it if you can only trade, no? If you can only trade your sure ball trades, your bread and butter. Sabi nga ni Kuya Dan, your liver spread trades. Alright, type number 1 kung ikaw ay profitable and you will become one of those na makakasama ko in vacation kasi marami ka ng pang vacation, no? Marami ka ng pang Palawan kasi nga you are earning. You are profitable. You are going to be profitable. And I claim that. I-claim mo na yan. No? Just make sure you're only trading your bread and butter setups. Okay? Alright guys, with that said, maraming salamat sa inyo and I wish you all the best this good night. And I hope that nagustuhan mo ang ating palabas ngayong gabi kahit kumakanta si Coach at medyo naging grounded, no? Alright, and alright, with that said guys, I love you so much. I love you 3,000 and mag-iingat po kayo, stay safe and talk to you again tomorrow. Bye! I love you 3,000.